Today we're making the incredibly long journey from the city of Pattaya all the way up to pretty much the northernmost tip of Thailand. When I say today, I mean today, tomorrow, and the day after. And to do that, we're gonna have to get a small bus to Bangkok, a overnight VIP bus to Chiang Mai, and then we don't actually know the last leg of the route. We've arrived to the minibus terminal about an hour and a half before the bus is due to leave to Bangkok, because I didn't realise this till after I booked this ticket, but this bus company has some of the worst reviews on Google that I've ever seen, so I'm just trying to avoid as many problems as possible by getting here nice and early. I think they're going to try and make us pay for the luggage and buy an extra seat for them. Let's see how it goes. 1, 2, go.
Okay.
Okay.
2 4 3 6 Okay.
มันจอดไม่ได้นะคะพี่ตรงหน้าขนส่งเขาน่ะ
A few minutes later.
I think they're trying to get us to go on the bus that's leaving now. There's a lot of confusion going on, that's for sure. Okay, so we can wait, yeah? Alrighty then. Definitely customer service is not their strong point here.
Next time 4 o'clock now.
And arrive Bangkok
4 p.m. Yes, yes.
Okay, so the 3:30 bus that we booked actually leaves at 4 o'clock and gets into Bangkok at 7. And our next bus onwards to Chiang Mai is at 8:45. So that's still okay. I'm just worried if they delay it any more. Yeah, so we go walk around, we come back. Okay. That wasn't quite as bad as I thought it would be, but we haven't actually gotten on yet. Anyways, there's a lovely 7-Eleven here to get some food. Got to get some iodine for the trip. Purple sweet potato, anyone? Nice.
Van.
Van?
Yeah.
But I'd pay for bus.
No bus.
It's 4 o'clock right now. They're trying to get us on one of these minivans instead of the bus that we booked. It's a bit more cramped, and I think it takes longer to get there as well. We could have got that other bus that was leaving earlier, but then that would have got us into the complete other side of Bangkok that we needed to be in, and we would have taken us at least an hour to get over to the other side to catch the next bus. At least they didn't charge us for the bags. That's the first leg of the journey done. I have to say, I think 1 star out of 5 is a little bit harsh. I give that a solid 2.5, maybe 3 stars out of 5. Would have been better if we actually got what we paid for. But then again, this is Asia. Things are unpredictable. Things happen like that.
At least we got here.
And that's what we love about Asia. It keeps us on our toes. Now we just have to convert our online voucher into a physical ticket to get on the bus. We have to find counter number 1, I think.
Check-in ticket Bangkok Bus Line outside counter 1 4.
Okay, 1-4 is the one we were looking for. Just read the ticket, Adam.
38 you inside. Thank you.
Tickets acquired, now we wait. For dinner we have 7-Eleven brand takeaway meal in a box. This one is stir-fried Chinese kale with plant-based crispy pork. Loving it. Thank you. I am very impressed with this bus.
Wow. These seats are the widest seats I think I've ever seen on a bus.
We have a blanket. What else do we have here? Might actually get some decent sleep tonight.
Let's go check out the toilet. Also on the top deck, so we don't even have to go down the stairs to use the toilet. Right, we're in. Yeah, this is like a galley area, and then just here is the toilet. So let's take a look and see what it's like. Oh! It's actually not too bad. There's a urinal, a sink. We've got, do we have soap? We have soap, a mirror. That is not too shabby for a bus toilet. Definitely the best bus toilet I've ever seen. As well. Let's see what we get inside. Chocolate wafers, puff cake and custard cream.
We have made it to Chiang Mai, people. I think we both actually slept pretty much all the way through that bus from around 9 o'clock, 9:30 all the way till 6:30. and it's now 7 o'clock. We've actually come in about half an hour early. Oh, hello. Oh, it's cold in Chiang Mai. I wasn't expecting that. So we're currently in a grab on the way to the hotel, about 10 minutes away. We're going to stay there overnight and continue the journey tomorrow. I highly doubt they're going to let us do anything remotely close to checking in. If not, Cafe Amazon to the rescue.
I don't think there's anyone home. We're a bit early, to be fair.
A bit early, like 6 hours early for check-in, yeah. I think we woke up the reception guy, and by some miracle we're able to check in now at 7:30 in the morning.
He just opened up his window and passed us the key through it. I was like, here you go.
So casual. We're just trying to decide now whether we start the day or go to sleep.
I'm hungry.
Well, there's your answer then. We found a restaurant not far from here called Munchies, which is apparently open 24/7. Fingers crossed, because we need it. Whoa, Chiang Mai has really woken up in the last half an hour. Munchies, baby! This is basically a plant-based fast food chain, and the amount of choice we have in front of us right now is insane. They've got Italian food, Thai food, American food, breakfast food. You can get a breakfast burrito, egg and bacon muffin, mac and cheese, nuggets, green bean fries even, milkshakes. Check out this breakfast burrito. I'm not sure why I went Scottish then. Oh, just what I needed right now. We've got crispy bacon, hash brown and egg, guacamole, some arugula. What's not to like? That was some of the best non-Thai food we've had in Thailand, hands down. I'd say things are going pretty well on this trip so far. We went from being pretty underwhelmed by that bus from Pattaya to pleasantly whelmed by that bus to Chiang Mai, and now pretty overwhelmed with the food here. So our next stop at Pai I've got really high hopes for. So all of yesterday we were contemplating the best way to do the third leg of this journey, which is from here in Chiang Mai all the way to Pai, and we were bouncing back and forth between bus or hiring a car. So in the end, of course, we went for the most practical solution, which was to hire a scooter.
Vroom, vroom.
Now I know what you're thinking, 2 suitcases cannot possibly fit on this motorbike, and you'd be absolutely right. The hotel next door is holding our suitcases for us until we come back in 5 days' time. In the meantime, everything we need for the next 5 days is either on our backs or inside here. So it's currently 9 o'clock, we are leaving imminently. We're actually being joined by our friend Matt today, and it's going to take about 3.5 hours, probably closer to 5. We'll see how it goes. Matt, right on time.
How are we doing?
Good. Getting ready?
Yes. Bags on. Ready to rock and roll.
But first, coffee.
We just pulled over at 7-Eleven for Yasmin to get her morning coffee, and right here is the 107. This road takes us about a third of the way up to Pai, and we'll probably be on it for about, I presume, 2 hours. We're leaving the Chiang Mai traffic behind.
Goodbye.
For rural Thailand. We have been waiting at this set of lights for, I kid you not, about 5.5 hours. We might make it out of Chiang Mai by sunset if we're lucky. We have our first casualty of the trip.
Let me explain. We're riding along and then something whacks me in the neck.
Completely misses me somehow.
Whacks me right in the neck, and I was like, oh, and I went like that, and then I threw it, and I could see in the corner of my eye that it was something kind of big and black, and then it started stinging, and I've got a little lump, and I pulled out like a stinger. It's right on my neck, so I'm taking antihistamine, just so I can try and not die.
We're going to keep an eye on it. Back on the road! Welcome to what might be one of the most beautiful, quiet, calm, serene service stations on the Thai road network. We spent about an hour on the 107 and then turned off onto the 1095, and that road leads all the way up to Pai, and things are only going to get better from here. The time is now 11 o'clock and the nav is saying another hour 50 to get to our hotel in Pai, so we're actually kind of ahead of schedule. And there's going to be many stops along the way.
When we saw a sign for a waterfall, because that just sounds epic, and the roads have got a lot more interesting. We're going up some super steep hills, trying to lean forward just so we can get up them,
And now down them.
and now we're going down them, which means maybe lean back. They're quite steep, and it looks like we have just made it, I think.
We just paid the entry at this little booth, which was 100 each plus 20 for the motorbike, and it's a 10-minute walk up to the waterfall. Already, I'm so glad that we decided to go for a moped to do this journey, because as convenient as a bus is, you're not going to be able to stop here.
Exactly, that's exactly what I was saying to him. It's a whole new adventure.
It was my idea.
It wasn't. You can stop wherever you want. You can go to the toilet whenever you want.
Which with you is stopping a lot. Beware of slippery. Okay. Okay, we've reached the waterfall and it was way better than it looked on Google Maps.
Wow! It's moments like these where I just feel like the adventure is really happening. When you're not getting the bus, you know, you're doing your own thing. And you can come across things like this.
Matty boy, can I get a rating on this waterfall from 1 to Niagara Falls?
Wow. 1 to Niagara Falls, that's a bit tough. I'm going to give it a 7. Come out of nowhere.
Let's get back on the bikes and get some lunch. How do we always do this? How do we end up going in flip-flops every time we do a hike to a waterfall?
Every time. And we always say, don't do it, but we do it ourselves.
Well, at least we remembered the mosquito repellent. Oh wait, this is our first time outside of a city in Thailand since we arrived 3 weeks ago. And as much as we love Bangkok, the hustle and bustle, and Pattaya and Chiang Mai, this is what it's all about. Greenery, water, can't beat it. So this is the Honda Scoopy, the beast that is taking us all the way to Pai. I think it's got a 125cc engine and it's relatively new. It's only got about 13,000 kilometers on the clock. We were struggling a little bit up those really steep hills. We were on full throttle, kind of pushing it along, but it's gonna do the job. It's also got a keyless ignition system, which I've only ever seen on a car. So I just walk up to it with the key in my pocket and then I turn this dial to on, and then we're ready to go.
So the hill that we need to go up is extremely steep. So instead of turn right, I've told Adam that we need to turn left, just so we can do a run up. So we can make it up that hill, because I don't think we'll make it otherwise. Right, let's go!
Full throttle. Easy.
That wasn't too bad actually, so steep.
We have just rocked up to this amazing little cafe on the side of the 1095 road, and as soon as we parked up, the owner came out and said, Pad Thai, make the best Pad Thai and the best papaya salad. So we had to take him up on his offer, of course.
When someone calls that out on the street, I'm sold.
What is your name, brother?
I'm Mr. Happy.
Mr. Happy. Your
Yes.
name is Mr. Happy.
Yes, I'm Mr. Happy. Nickname, Mr. Num.
Mr. Num.
Yeah.
What's the name of the shop?
Shop กายทอด FC Fried Chicken Thailand. Welcome to Thailand.
Thank you.
Welcome to Chiang Mai. Welcome to my garden. Welcome to Pai. Welcome to Chiang Mai. Ciao.
This guy is the biggest legend in Thailand. My new favorite person.
Thank you.
This guy is the chirpiest man I've come across in a very, very long time. He's just so happy that we've turned up to his restaurant.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Wow.
For share.
That is
Take that.
perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you, my friend. Happiest man in Thailand.
This is literally the happiest man in Thailand. I love you too. I love you. He might be on drugs, we don't know.
For share.
That's a hell of a portion of food.
My God.
You order big size for me.
Yeah.
With me. For share, sure.
Oh, for sure.
So big, it's giving me 2 plates.
Matthew,
I have.
that motorbike is going to be much, much heavier the next time you get on it.
Yeah.
There's a big hill up there. I'm not sure
I
you
know,
can make it.
I know.
Hello, I'm so happy. Welcome to Thailand. Welcome to Chiang Mai. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you.
Wow, that looks so good.
Check this one out. Hello, you are the chef?
Yes.
Very, very nice food. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This my wife. This my cooker. This my mother for daughter.
Oh, good.
Every menu, no MSG. MSG, you know? Monosodium glutamate. No use at my restaurant. Thank you.
So this place has the best food, the best hospitality, and you get a lesson in chemistry as well. Fantastic. And as Matt pointed out, it's got a vegetarian menu with chicken.
Oh, ขอบคุณครับ Tip for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you from England. Tip for me, 40 baht. I'm so happy. Good luck, my friend.
God, I actually don't want to leave this restaurant. As amazing as this road is, I just want to stay all day and chat with this guy. He's amazing. If anyone is interested though, they've got a big widescreen TV from about 20 years ago for sale. We've driven on a lot of roads in Thailand, but this has to be the most epic of them all. And it looks like this road was tarmacked yesterday. It's that good.
It's absolutely insane and such a cool way to get to Pai instead of getting the bus. Just do it like this.
The problem is that it's so hard to stay on this road for more than 5 minutes at a time because every 5 minutes there's a new view or a really lovely cafe with an amazing proprietor. It's just absolute heaven. And right now we're at a viewpoint about 2/3 of the way down the road, so we're almost there. We were planning to make it there by 3, but it's currently 4. So hopefully we'll make it there by sunset. After 7 hours on the road, we finally made it to Pai.
Hell of a journey, guys. Yo, we're here. And one of us didn't want to ride a motorbike. Who was it?
Who was it? I'll give you a clue. It wasn't me and it wasn't Matt.
I don't know who you're talking about.
Thank you ครับ
It's check-in time.
I'm liking the vibe of this place so far.
key card for electric โอเคครับ
This is our room, guys. We literally just walked in here and I'm very impressed. So what I've got here, we've got a big double bed. That's huge. That's like a king size bed. Wardrobe space with hangers. We've got aircon. It's really hot in here, so that needs to go on ASAP. We've got tea and coffee and a kettle and water. We have a fridge and a TV, which probably won't be using so much. We've got a huge, oh my God, look at the size of this mirror. And then through here is the shower and toilet. I'm very impressed. And this place was $20 a night. Bargain. And we've got our own little private balcony. This place, guys, is so beautiful. Got our own little bistro set. You can have our coffee here. It's just so peaceful. You literally can't hear anything. Apart from Matt, who's next door.
I need to get the road off me. It feels really, really strange not having our luggage with us, but it was so worth stripping it down to the bare essentials to do that trip.
Yeah, literally, we've chucked all of our clothes for the next 4 days in this one packing cube. So that's our clothes, our toiletries. That's pretty much it. That's it. That's all we need.
That was the most epic few days. Thank you so much for coming along with us. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next video.
Okay, bye-bye.